Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. So tonight was session 4 on the peacock painting. A lot more detail done tonight. It's going to be small minor changes from a macro scale as I work on this painting, and it's because of so many little details that I'm having to put in. But I did more feather work tonight, underlying green tone, and then tomorrow's going to be the underlying gold and yellow to bring out the highlights. And then I'm going to have to bring them all together at some point, probably with a lot of brown and black, so they start to blend in with one another. But I also did some work tonight on the face, trying to get more detail going. You'll see when I zoom in what I'm talking about. But I want the face to be detailed as well. Again, like I said yesterday, I don't want to neglect the face. So I was doing some detail work tonight at the end of the session. But again, I appreciate everyone who takes the time to look at these videos. It's sincerely appreciated. And without further ado, I'll zoom in.